Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the lesson Great Scientist of 9th standard. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions, English workshop and language study. Warming up. First question. What would you like to learn about in your science period? Answer. I would like to learn about electric machines, our solar system, different plants and animals. Second question. Have you ever tried to do an experiment on your own? If yes, tell me about it. If no, tell me why you have never tried. Answer. Yes, I lighted a bulb making solar panel. Third question. What would you like to learn about in your English classes? Answer. In my English classes, I would like to learn English poems, writing stories and how to converse. A. Think of as many examples of the following as you can within 5 minutes and write them in the appropriate column. Types of machine. Simple machines that are operated by hand. Air pump, drill machine, sewing machine, hand-operated testing machine. Machines that run on electricity. Electric iron, oven, water pump, fan, radio, mixer, etc. Electronic devices. Computer, mobile, TV, digital camera, air conditioner, laptop. B. Write as many uses of the following as you can. Form groups of 4. Compare your list. Make a long list by putting together the list of all members. A. A cloth bag for carrying grocery, carrying vegetables, carrying clothes, shopping. B. A wicker basket for keeping grains, for keeping flowers, for keeping fruits, for keeping vegetables. C. A glass bottle or jar for keeping water, milk, medicine, oil. D. A steel bowl for serving food, drinking medicines, for drinking juice. Margin questions. Question number 1. Before you read further, guess what the passage is about. Answer. The passage is about famous scientists and the qualities that made them famous. Second question. What were the odds against Faraday in his childhood? Answer. Faraday was born in a poverty-stricken family in a dirty London suburb. He suffered from speech defect, so other children laughed at him and made fun of him. When he was 12, his mother was forced to take him out of school. This ended his formal education. At the age of 13, he started working with a bookbinder. Third question. Why do you think Faraday's friend gave him a free ticket to Davy's program? Answer. I think Faraday's friend knew he was so poor to buy ticket of a public lecture. Therefore, he gave him a free ticket to Davy's program. Fourth question. What was the subject of Davy's lecture? Answer. The subject of Davy's lecture was the mysterious force of electric fluid. Fifth question. What actions and thoughts of Faraday show that he was inspired by Davy? Answer. He took notes on Davy's lecture on mysterious force of electric fluid comprehensively. He bound them into a book for offering gifted to Davy someday. Faraday decided that day that he didn't just want to sell books. Sixth question. Why did Davy choose Faraday as his secretary? Answer. A chemical explosion had taken place inside Davy's lab that temporarily blinded him. Davy now needed an assistant to help him. He was reminded of Faraday and hired him as his secretary. Seventh question. Was Davy fair in his treatment of Faraday? Answer: Davy was not fair in his treatment of Faraday. Davy never believed that Faraday could do anything in the field of science, going by his social status and education. Next question: how did Faraday respond to that treatment? Answer: Faraday was relentless. He worked day and night and learned as much as he could about Davy's experiments. This was the first step towards his scientific career. Ninth question: what happens when an electric current is applied to a wire? Answer: when an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like a magnet. Give one example each to show that Faraday was a good pupil. Answer: Davy gave Faraday an impossible task to reverse engineer Bavarian glass. Faraday accepted the assignment despite knowing that it would be very difficult. He toiled for 4 years. This shows that Faraday was a good pupil. Next question: Davy was not a good mentor. Answer: Davy was jealous of his pupil's achievement. Davy gave Faraday an impossible task to keep him out of his way. Davy knew that with the equipment available in the lab, Faraday would never be able to accomplish the task. This shows that Davy was not a good mentor. Next question: write the idea behind the electronic generator. Answer: if a magnet is moved, it could produce electrical current. Thus, motion could be converted into electricity. This is how the electrical generator was born. It is used today to generate all kinds of power like dynamos and other devices. 13th question: why were Faraday's drawings not accepted? Answer: Faraday did not know much about advanced mathematics, so he just copied the iron filling patterns with his hand. He was unable to explain them in the form of mathematical equations. He made hundreds of such drawings but without equations. They were not accepted. Next question: does it mean they were wrong? Answer: it doesn't mean they were wrong. But when Maxwell translated Faraday's ideas into a set of equations, they were right, now called Maxwell's equations. English workshop. Question number 1. Write what is implied in the following sentences. A. But few know his inspirational life story, which is all about courage and fighting against the odds. What does it tell you about Faraday's life? Answer: Michael Faraday was born in a very poor family and lived in a dirty London suburb. He suffered from a speech defect as a child. At 13, he started working. He had no social status, no money, no education, so he struggled hard against all odds. After toiling hard, he achieved a great success and became a great scientist. B. Even then, Davy did not have much hope for Faraday. What do the words "even then" suggest? Answer: Faraday wanted to become a great scientist, but he had no social status and education. Davy therefore dismissed Faraday's aspirations in the field of science. He made him his lab assistant. He worked day and night and learned as much as he could about Davy's experiments. Even then, Davy was not hopeful about Faraday's scientific career. C. People started telling Davy that of all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. Answer: as Davy was one of the greatest scientists and Faraday wanted Davy to become his mentor, Davy asked him to try his hand on one experiment after he was done cleaning the lab. Within a few days, Faraday solved the problem, resulted into first induction motor. Faraday became a celebrity scientist overnight. So people started telling Davy that Faraday himself was his best discovery. Next question. Break the passage into convenient smaller sections. Give subheadings or title to each section. First section start with Michael Faraday is and ends with first consistent light bulb. Title: Faraday's childhood and his work as a bookbinder. Second section starts with That Day in 1812 and ends with Davy's leading experiments. Title: Faraday's association with Davy. Third section start with Even Then Davy and end with Directed at Faraday. Title: Faraday invented induction motor. Fourth section start with Faraday become a celebrity and end with During difficult times. Title: Faraday's failure. Fifth question start with In 1829, end with Who You Are. Title: Faraday's career. Next question, list the different gadgets and instruments mentioned in the passage. Find more information about at least 3 of them using the internet. Fans, air conditioning, sewing machines, photographs, power tools, cars, telescope and microscope, electronic generator, dynamos, electronic and communication system. Next question, find out more about the following scientists with the help of the internet.